Alright, let's get started. We're going to go ahead and begin with explaining where the data for this spreadsheet comes from. The data for this spreadsheet comes from a Google spreadsheet on the Google Drive, and there's a form attached to this that the users enter in the field. They input whatever data report or task hazard analysis that they do on a daily basis, and it automatically gets uploaded from their phone into the Google Drive. This spreadsheet automatically synchronizes the data to it. So let's go ahead and open it. It's important we don't change the name to the spreadsheet. So if we make a copy of it, we want to be sure that we do not allow it to change the name. In this case, it changed it to be WBAMC1-copy. If we were to use this one, there's macros embedded in the spreadsheet, they wouldn't function. Let's go ahead and delete that. So it's a blank spreadsheet. It's got two tabs on the bottom, THAs and daily reports. And up on top there's a toolbar tab, William Beaumont Army Medical Center hospital job. Added this just to help us create daily reports, PDF and THA PDFs, individual reports for each day. So let's go ahead and synchronize site documents here. Up on the top left hand corner, it'll tell you that the sync is in progress, and it's automatically downloading the data from the cloud real time. So if somebody were to edit something 5 minutes ago, it would automatically be updated. As you can see, we've just started this project, so we only have a few THAs and a few daily reports. So what we want to do now is you can filter through the data. You can do whatever you need to do, check on items, review any RFI requests. As you can see, there's none here. Now this symbol here just represents null data. When we go from the HTML code to the Excel, this is just a way of indicating that there's a blank space here. So that's nothing to worry about. And here's the THA, same thing. Whenever the user does not enter data, this is just another way of saying a blank space here. So let's say we wanted to create a THA report, PDF report. So let's go ahead and try to do that. Now I'm going to go ahead and just copy this date and paste it here to represent, let's say we did 3 tasks in one day, so we had 3 different individual task hazard analysis for that day. Let's go ahead and create a report. Real easy. We click on 4/19/2005, or we can enter it manually. This would probably be easier once there's a lot of data in there, because you wouldn't just be able to scroll down and click on it. So we're going to go ahead and do 4/19/15. There we go, it automatically populated them. We're going to go and select those 3 that we want to create reports for. And it's going to automatically give it a name. So we just find the directory. So we want it to go to the desktop. In this case, you can click a folder or whatever, and click save, and it's going to tell you your PDF report has been created. And then same thing with the second file, desktop, save, and it's going to automatically give it a name based on the timestamp. So this is 2015 May 4th 07/14/08. So that's the second. The 08's the second. So no file name should ever have the same name. PDF report has been created, and that's it. You're done. So then we're going to go ahead and look in the desktop, and here are 3 reports. Nope, I'm sorry. Here's one of the reports. Oh, here we go. There's 1, there's 2, and there's 3. So it automatically will create a PDF report. And same thing goes for the daily report section. Let's say we have a couple of, well, we should only have actually 1 daily report, so let's just stick to that. Create a daily report. Click on 2013. Go ahead and click on this date. That's the date we want to create a report for. Desktop, save, PDF report has been created, and we're done. So then we'll come look and see if that report has been created, and here it is. And there it is, right there. There's your daily report. So, as you can see, it's already created the daily report here, and any information that needs to be inputted will be in these spaces provided. So, starting over, if you wanted to resync the data, you would just click on sync again, and it would automatically overwrite this data. There you go, you're ready to start again. So you want to just export to Excel. Same thing, you just click on the dates, and it's going to ask you where to save it. We're going to save it here. We're going to call it daily test. There we go, and it created our file here. And here we go. This is an Excel daily report. So it's pretty simple. Just kind of a little bit helpful to have these tools up here versus having to do everything manually. So typically you just clear it out if you wanted to start over, and it still retains all the functionality of the regular Excel spreadsheet. So you can still filter, you can still edit, copy, paste, and whatever you manipulate on this spreadsheet, it does not affect the data in the cloud. So let's say if I just deleted all of these columns and I just had these columns, then it wouldn't make a difference. As soon as I resync the data, in the bottom left hand corner you can see that it'll tell you that it's running the background query. In the bottom right hand corner, that'll tell you copying the data. There you go. So manipulating the data here does not actually manipulate the data in the cloud. So the data in the cloud is secure. It's never going to be edited whenever you edit a spreadsheet. If you did for some reason want to edit this data, you would have to do it from the Google spreadsheet. And that's it. So if there's any questions, go ahead and comment below. Thanks.